In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to use Apple Pay in iPhone 15 Pro Max. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Using the Apple Wallet and the Apple Pay payment system on your iPhone 15 Pro Max is extremely simple, easy, and secure. To do this, first open the Wallet application. This is going to be a default application on most iPhone models, so find it on your home screen and open it up. You will see a list of all the payment methods that you have attributed to your wallet. Of course, assuming that this is your first time opening the wallet application, there won't be any cards listed. So now tap on the plus button at the top right corner of the screen and you will see a list of everything that you can link to your Apple Wallet directly. One of the options is going to be credit or debit card, and it is the one that I'm going to be focusing in this video. You can take your time and carefully browse through all of the other options, but for the purposes of explaining how Apple Pay works, I'm going to be focusing on this alone. So when you choose credit or debit card, you will either be able to scan your card using your camera or enter the card details manually. Choose whichever one you prefer. You just have to make sure that all the information of the card is filled out, so the card number, cardholder's name, expiry date, security code, and so on. So after you use your camera, scan your card, or you manually enter the details, follow the on-screen instructions and get the card verified. You will have to go through a verification process through any of the available means, and once this is done, it is going to be linked and appear on your Apple Wallet. Now you are ready to use Apple Pay. You can either do it in-store contactlessly or alternatively pay with Apple Pay online. So when you proceed to checkout on any website or any service that accepts Apple Pay as a payment method, choose that option and immediately you will be able to confirm the payment using the verification of your identity and choosing the payment method. It is going to go through with the card that you selected when the prompt appeared. Alternatively, if you want to do it in store, all that you have to do is double click the side button to activate the Apple Wallet, authenticate using Face ID to verify your identity or any other means that you have, and then hold your iPhone near a terminal. Bring the top of your iPhone near a contactless payment reader. You should see the confirmation or a check mark message on your iPhone, and now the payment is confirmed. As long as you selected the card that you added to your Apple Wallet, the payment will go through and you have made a contactless payment using Apple Pay. Choose whichever option you prefer and you can always add more cards to your Apple Wallet later for different purchases. I hope I was able to help you on how to use Apple Pay in iPhone 15 Pro Max. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.